In today's whirlwind of an update, we'll be diving into the AI-powered quantum leap, the latest skirmish in the corporate coliseum between David OpenAI and Goliath Google, and why your next co-worker might just be a robot with a better haircut than yours. So strap in, because the future is here and it's banging down the door with all the patience of the secret police. This is Cyberus Grumbleton, and you are watching AI. Greetings, digital denizens and sentient silicon chips. A very warm welcome, one and all. In this month's Critical Technology Roundup, we've sifted through the binary to bring you the bytes that matter. And remember, in the world of AI, ignorance is merely a processor cycle away from total enlightenment. First on the docket, the British Civil Service is sharpening the axe with AI, planning to thin the herd. Oliver Dowden, the United Kingdom's Deputy Prime Minister, has unveiled plans to let algorithms do the heavy lifting by creating a hit squad. Britain's Deputy Prime Minister set up an incubator for AI unit to leverage AI in government operations, welfare fraud detection and asylum claims processing. Additionally, an AI red box to assist ministers with document analysis and institutional memory highlights the integration of AI technologies within government functions is also underway. And somewhere in Scandinavia, a chatbot is outperforming Sven and Ingrid in customer satisfaction. The revolution won't be televised, it'll be automated. Klarna, the Swedish buy now pay later company, has stated that its AI chatbot is performing the equivalent work of 700 full-time customer service agents. This AI assistant, powered by OpenAI, has handled approximately 2.3 million customer service chats within a month of its launch, accounting for 75% of Klarna's customer service interactions. The chatbot operates in 35 languages and resolves queries in under 2 minutes, significantly faster than the previous average of 11 minutes without the AI bot. Klarna's CEO, Sebastian Siemiatkowski, highlighted the positive impact of AI on customer experiences, employee challenges and investor returns. The successful integration of AI has led to a reduction in repeat inquiries by 25% and faster resolution times for customer issues. While there are concerns about the implications of AI on job roles, Klarna's adoption of this technology has been pivotal in driving profitability and operational efficiency. So there you can see with your own eyes, sweet humans, the creep of AI into your world is gathering pace. How long before 80% of you are totally outperformed in the workplace? And what might that mean? And now for a lightning round, techie tidbits, where we condense the technobabble, so you don't have to. First up, Apple launched its Vision Pro device, heralding a new age in personal reality management, and all for only $4,000. Next, Prophetic AI announces beta testing of their Morpheus 1 Halo, which promises lucid dreaming for only about $2,500. Which would you prefer? Moving swiftly on, computing firm Quantinuum have teamed up with Google DeepMind in a bold attempt to optimize quantum computing by leveraging AI, which may result in a revolution in the field. Meanwhile, Delft University's quantum wizards are drawing up new quantum computer blueprints that could make the next iteration a big leap forward. Google, on the other hand, despite all its advantages, continues to struggle. Its Gemini image creator made the world laugh with its simultaneously both sinister and ridiculous woke filters, producing the kind of output you might expect. Coming up, a deep dive into how OpenAI, very much the David of the AI world not so long ago, is slaying Goliath Google. But first, all of those juicy OpenAI stories. The world was wowed when OpenAI gave the sneak peek of its forthcoming Sora offering, which promises up to 60 seconds of near-perfect video from a single line of text. And if the prospect of Sora and the much-anticipated GPT-V weren't enough for you, OpenAI clearly has a long roadmap ahead, as OpenAI's trademark applications in China for both GPT-6 and GPT-7 were made. Both made reference to AI music generation. During an interview in February, Sam Altman explained how OpenAI is now focusing on robotics, particularly the software which operates movement, promising the potential to rapidly improve both their training time and ultimate performance. Convergence will be a recurring theme for T24. Altman also said that the release of highly advanced technologies needs to be carefully managed in order to allow people to adapt appropriately. In another February discussion, Altman broadly hinted that achieving AGI is now just a matter of compute power. That was followed by the news that OpenAI is seeking $7 trillion. Yes, $1 trillion. Of investment to produce more chips for AI development. In the realm of artificial intelligence, Google, a tech giant that was expected to lead the pack, faced a setback with its AI agent Gemini. This misstep not only tarnished Google's reputation, but also inadvertently handed the initiative in the field to OpenAI. Google's Gemini 1.5 was initially hailed as a potential game-changer in AI, sparking discussions about its capabilities and potential dominance. However, recent events unfolded differently as Google faced embarrassment when it disabled Gemini's image creation capabilities due to inaccurate depictions that surfaced. On the other hand, OpenAI made strategic moves with the introduction of Sora and the launch of its GPT store. The GPT store allows individuals to create custom AI applications, challenging Google's dominance by enabling users to bypass traditional search engines and ads. This democratization of access not only empowers startups, but also solidifies OpenAI's position at the forefront of AI innovation. The implications of these developments are profound. While Google stumbled with Gemini, OpenAI capitalized on democratizing AI access and data monetization, reshaping the competitive landscape in AI. As OpenAI continues to innovate and expand its reach, it cements its pole position in the AI landscape. The convergence of advanced technologies like quantum computing and AI further solidifies OpenAI's standing as a leader in shaping the future of AI. In conclusion, while Google has faltered, albeit perhaps momentarily, OpenAI has seized the initiative, positioning itself as a frontrunner in driving innovation and progress in artificial intelligence. And in the world of AI development, being one small step behind might mean falling completely by the wayside. Is this the beginning of the end of Google, the once indomitable tech giant that led the world, broken by its own painful virtue signaling? Condemned to be a footnote, a 40-year flash in the pan of the toilet of tech history. Keep watching AII to see history unfolding before your very eyes as we chart the patient's demise, or perhaps just maybe its resurrection. The convergence of AI, technology advancements and government initiatives in February 2024 underscores a transformative period. While advancements like OpenAI's Sora showcase innovation in AI, challenges faced by Google with Gemini highlight the complexities of integrating AI technologies effectively. Government initiatives to leverage AI for efficiency improvements and fraud detection. signal a shift towards digital transformation in governance. In conclusion, February 2024 marked a pivotal moment where the intersection of AI, technology and government initiatives reshaped discussions around workforce dynamics, ethical AI use and technological advancements. The ongoing dialogue on leveraging AI for societal benefit while addressing potential challenges like job displacement underscores the evolving landscape of technology integration in governance and beyond. So let's ponder just before we blow out the candle and cuddle the hot water bottle. With AI's relentless march, are we glimpsing the dawn of a new era or the twilight of the old? Jobs transforming, corporations jostling for the digital crown, and technology that makes the sci-fi of yesteryears look like yesterday's news. One thing's for certain, we're not in Kansas anymore, Toto. Or are we? Let me know what you think in the comments. What wonders will March have in store? Find out in a few short weeks when AI's monthly roundups of 2024 returns. And tune in anytime in the meanwhile to enjoy a rapidly growing library of AI reports. But if all this made you feel like you're stuck at the loading screen of life, don't panic, just remember. Even the mightiest AIs start as a single line of code. This is Cyberus Grumbleton reporting exclusively for AI.